Hello, my name is Joe Vasta, and today we are going to take a look at the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, and maybe you've already memorized the formula. If you had to factor that, that would be like a plus b times a minus b. What we're going to do is we're going to take a geometric approach to verifying that formula. And so let's start off by giving you a picture of a square. Now that square has side A. The area of that square is a squared. Okay, we're going to put the minus sign, and then we're going to put another square. It's going to be smaller, has side B. The area of that square is b squared, side times side. So what we want to do is we want to actually take this away. We want to take a square out of this big square. And so our plan is this, to take this part up here off, and then we'll get rid of this. So that's what we'll do on the next picture. So there it is. We have this shape here. The area of this shape is a squared minus b squared. And notice when I took that little square off, this part here just becomes a minus b. Okay, because we subtracted a b off, and then we have little b here, little b there, and then an a minus b right there. I'm going to move that shape to the center. I'm going to partition that shape into two rectangles, and you'll notice that this one's going to change when I do that. Okay, so this plus this is still going to add up to A, but now we have this little side right here is B, and then this side right here is A minus B. I'm going to break those rectangles apart. Now remember that a squared minus b squared is really the area of both of those rectangles combined. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little rectangle and rotate it. I'm going to take the big rectangle and put it up next to the little rectangle, on the left side. I'm going to push those rectangles together. And so now I have this shape here. And what we do next is move it to the center. And I'm going to take out this line here. Now, when I take out this line, we see that this long side of this rectangle is going to be A plus B. Okay, so we were moving rectangles around, ripping them apart, putting them back together, but the area of that red rectangle is a squared minus b squared. But we also know the area of a rectangle is length times width. So there's the formula. Length is a plus b times the width, a minus b. And this is a geometric interpretation of the difference of two squares. Hope you enjoyed this video.